Hi, this is Mark. Today I'm going to demonstrate and show you how to use SmartLink system translation management software. To better understand how we can operate a system, we can refer the table of contents I exported from the user guide. So we will be going through the product translation project from translation step to reviewing step and then publish the job. And then finally, we'll be looking manual translation project, as there will be a slight difference of operation with product translation project. So today, to start with, you have to log in your SmartLink with your account and password, and it will prompt you to this default job dashboard. However, the job dashboard has system bugs. Not all the jobs are available from the current work. So we suggest that you should navigate yourself to the string view interface. So how are we going to go to string view interface? Hit the product translation project, translations, string view beta, and this is the string view dashboard. So in the string view dashboard, you can see the whole strings within this project, product translation project. So how are we going to find the translation job you're going to translate? We take Sylvia's accounts, Spanish account, translation resource account as an example, using the SKU code 3094851. So hit the drop down, enter a search by the SKU code, and you will see the drop down display the result. And the results are displayed, and which means all the strings within this job are displayed in the string view. However, remember to apply the other two filters, status and languages. So hit the in progress, hit and select the language you'll be translating with. And for the in progress status, it includes both translation and reviewing steps. So how are you going to navigate to your translation interface? Hit this icon under the action column, Edit in Cat tool, and it will prompt you to the translation interface. So this is the translation interface. And how are we going to start with? So the language resources panel shows memory machine translation, and glossary, in which you can insert with. And this is the product title. Regarding how to differentiate and identify the brand, you can view 3.1 brand identifications for non-VitaXL brands, and this is the VitaXL brand. So it's easy to identify with, and it's particularly highlighted as do not translate. So I'm going to start a translation. This is the source text, and this is the target language, Spanish. Oh, and also one thing, to find the product image, hit the context, and the product image will be displayed. Okay, so I'm going to continue with my translation. Okay, so we have already set the character limit for product title, which is 70. Okay, so allow me to continue translation. And here, okay, if you found there is if you found for example, the memories or are segmented, you have to merge the segment yourself by hitting merge segment. And sometimes allow me to roll back, restore segmentation if necessary, if you want to separately translate the given string. You can hit the restore segmentation. And if you found there are grooving line on these memory blocks, you have to remember, like I said in the user guide, you have to merge the segment so that the memory can be inserted. Okay. Unfortunately, there is no grooving line here, but you can refer what or how the grooving line looks like from the user guide. Okay, allow me to continue translation. And remember, if you see the HTML code here, first you have to remove, okay, you have to remove, like for example, if the memory is around 70, is below 75 or around that, even is 100 if you would like to based on revision. Remove all the string, hit the HTML code, and always remember, put your cursor at the end of the HTML code, and then hit insert. Sometimes the memory doesn't include the HTML code, so in this case you have to make sure that, for example, here you have to make sure the HTML code is inserted in a corresponding placement by dragging the cursor. Oh,